Looking to upgrade your bedroom without breaking the bank? The right twin bed frame can completely transform your space, adding style, storage, and serious comfort. Whether you're setting up a guest room, kids' bedroom, or maximizing a small apartment, the 2025 lineup has some incredible options. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best twin bed frames available on Amazon right now. Make sure to check the links in the description box below. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Amazon Basics heavy-duty metal platform. And honestly, this frame delivers way more than you'd expect at this price point. You're getting rock-solid construction with durable steel slats that distribute weight perfectly for completely noise-free sleep. The frame sits at 14 inches tall with 12.5 inches of clearance underneath, which is absolutely perfect for underbed storage bins or boxes. That 11-leg support system ensures durability you can count on for years. The steel slat foundation means no box spring needed, saving you money right off the bat. What really caught my attention during research was the thoughtful details. The double-sided adhesive tape keeps your mattress locked in place, so no more waking up halfway off the bed. Those plastic protective feet and corner guards prevent any floor damage or annoying bumps when you're moving around the room. Here's what you should know, though. The assembly requires a bit more patience than some other options on this list. You'll need maybe 45 minutes and a helping hand to get everything lined up properly. But honestly, once it's together, this thing is built like a tank. The value proposition is insane. You're paying budget-friendly pricing and getting commercial-grade durability that supports up to 350 pounds. That elegant black finish with the recessed edge design looks way more expensive than it actually is. For anyone who wants reliable, no-nonsense support, this is an absolute winner. At number 4, we've got the Zinus Mia metal platform, and this frame brings serious style to the table. You're getting clean, modern lines with an industrial headboard that instantly upgrades any bedroom's aesthetic without looking too busy or overwhelming. The 12 inches of clearance space gives you fantastic storage options underneath, perfect for seasonal clothes, extra bedding, or whatever you need to tuck away. Those wooden slats are spaced exactly 3 inches apart to prevent any mattress sagging while supporting foam, latex, spring, or hybrid mattresses beautifully. What really stands out here is how quick the setup process is. Everything you need comes in the box with clear instructions and all the tools included. Most people get this assembled in under 30 minutes, even working solo. That's pretty remarkable for a frame with this much visual impact. Here's the consideration. The metal construction can feel a bit cold to the touch in winter months if you're not using a bed skirt or substantial bedding. It's not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind if you live in colder climates and tend to bump into furniture. But here's the kicker. Zinus backs this with a 5-year worry-free warranty. That kind of confidence from the manufacturer tells you everything about build quality. The bold, contemporary design works perfectly in apartments, dorms, or modern homes. For the price point, you're getting showroom looks with budget-friendly economics. Coming in at number 3, the Amazon Basics foldable platform is the ultimate problem solver for anyone who moves frequently or needs flexibility. You're getting a noise-free, supportive foundation made from durable steel that literally folds up when you need to relocate or store it. The frame provides 13 inches of vertical clearance, giving you excellent underbed storage real estate for bins, luggage, or whatever needs hiding. That black finish looks sleek and professional, while the steel legs and crossbeams with vertical wires create surprisingly quiet support that won't wake you with squeaks. What really impressed me about this frame is the tool-free setup. Seriously, 0 tools needed. You unfold it, lock the legs into place, and you're done in minutes. That folding mechanism is engineered brilliantly, making it perfect for guest rooms, temporary living situations, or anyone who dreads complicated assembly. Here's what you should consider, though. Because it's foldable, there's no headboard included with this model. If you want that finished look or need something to lean pillows against, you'll want to position this against a wall or add your own headboard separately. The functionality is unbeatable. Supporting 350 pounds on the twin size with steel construction that lasts for years, this frame pays for itself quickly. If you're furnishing a rental, setting up a temporary space, or just want ultimate convenience, this foldable design is absolute genius. At number 2, we've got the Zinus Lottie Upholstered platform. And this frame brings luxury vibes without the luxury price tag. You're getting modern gray fabric with a gorgeous 20-inch square tufted headboard that looks like it belongs in an expensive furniture showroom, not an online budget category. The interior steel framework wrapped in dense foam padding creates both durability and comfort. The twin size supports up to 350 pounds, while larger sizes handle up to 700 pounds, which is seriously impressive. Those durable wood slats work perfectly with latex, memory foam, or spring mattresses without any additional support needed. What really stands out here is the assembly experience. Everything comes neatly organized in a zippered compartment built right into the headboard. It's like a little treasure hut, and most people finish setup in under an hour. That attention to packaging details shows how much thought went into the design. Here's the honest truth, though. The gray fabric, while beautiful and neutral, does show dust and pet hair more readily than darker options. If you have shedding pets or allergies, you'll want to vacuum the headboard weekly to keep it looking pristine and fresh. But the style factor is incredible. That square tufted headboard adds sophistication that makes your entire room feel more pulled together and intentional. The foam padding makes it comfortable to sit up, reading, or watching TV. For anyone wanting hotel-quality aesthetics at home, this delivers big time. And at number 1, the absolute game changer, the Furnulem twin bed frame with charging station and LED lights. This isn't just a bed frame, it's basically smart furniture that transforms your bedroom into a high-tech sanctuary you'll actually want to spend time in. You're getting over 60,000 customizable LED color options controlled either by remote or mobile app, with style mode, music mode, and timer functions. The lights sync with music, creating an immersive atmosphere perfect for relaxation, gaming, or movie nights. That built-in charging station features 2 standard outlets and 2 USB ports right in the headboard for ultimate convenience. What absolutely sold me on this frame is the storage integration. The wood headboard includes 2 fabric drawers and storage shelves that keep books, devices, and essentials within arm's reach. The metal slats provide excellent mattress support without any box spring needed, and assembly is straightforward with all tools and instructions included. Here's the reality check. With all these tech features, there are more components to set up initially compared to basic frames. You'll spend about an hour on assembly, and you'll need to position the frame near an outlet for the LED and charging features to work properly. But think about the functionality you're gaining. Charging your phone without getting out of bed, customizing your room's ambiance instantly, and having organized storage all in one sleek package. This frame is perfect for teens, young adults, or anyone who loves tech-integrated living spaces that actually improve daily life. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best twin bed frames on Amazon. Each option brings something unique to the table depending on your needs and budget. Check those links in the description to grab yours today. Thanks for watching, and sleep well.